Happy 4th birthday! You're the joy of our life. Charot! Naiiyak. Ayun. Hindi ko kaya. Si Dada na muna. Mamaya na lang ako mag-emo. Hello! Welcome to the vlog! Today is Rain's birthday!
This looks so cool!
So cool! Happy birthday! How old are you? Wait. 4. Okay, so we got preparations. Mag-aalauna na. Ngayon pa kami kakain. Ayan. So, they got toys from Mr. DIY and Lazada. And ito ang prepare ko kagabi. Pa-happy birthday. And now we have cake and pizza. Ayan. And chicken. O, diba? Sold na. Sold na, Dada. Tara, let's prepare. So, kagabi mga Momshies, bilinaw up ko to. Tulog na sila. Tapos, early morning, nagluto si Dada ng spaghetti. Ayan. And yung aming cake is from Victoria's Secret. Ay, Victoria's Bakery. Tapos, yung pizza from Angel's Pizza. Buy one, take one. Ayan. So excited. Ayan si Kuya, meron din siyang gift na pinili sa store. Si Rain din, pili din siya. So pag birthday ni Kuya, ganun din. Pipili din si Rain ng gift niya. Oh, what gift did you get? What did you get?
Wayne got this waist.
What is that?
This is
lightsaber.
This is a lightsaber.
Oh, what did you get for your birthday, Rain?
Okay, Ninja Toys also.
Later, anak, later. Ninja toys. Okay. And you have laser. Oh, wow. How old are you?
6.
No, you're not 6. How old are you? What number is there on the wall? How old are you today? 4 years. Oh, is it whose birthday today?
It's my birthday.
Very good. Say happy birthday to your brother, Kuya.
Happy birthday.
Rain. Give Rain a kiss. Very good. So sweet.
Mama, look.
So, ayan.
Come on, Rain.
We're gonna start na.
Rain.
Where is the light? Let's sing happy birthday. And let's take our pictures.
You will blow the candle.
I'm gonna blow.
Yes.
Ay, yung cellphone
I'm
ko
gonna
dyan.
blow it so hard.
Yeah.
Okay, let's sing first the song. Seymour, come here. Where are you? Really?
Ito na lang.
Cellphone mo?
Maybe picture mo.
Ayun.
Is it a video or photo?
Ayaw mag...
That's not the right one.
Okay, let's sing! Video mo nga, picture ko.
Picture. May video na dun eh.
Okay, dalawa. Yung isa video, isa picture. Ito.
Happy birthday to
Wait,
you.
no. River, come on, let's go!
Come on, River.
River, sing happy birthday to your brother.
River, stay here.
Wow,
Stay here.
this is cool.
Okay. Alright. Ready? Let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Ay, wow.
This
Rain. Mayo.
Maya. Maya. Maya.
Okay, time to eat! Ayun. Happy birthday na!
I'm not eating it.
Why you're not eating it? Yung go-tomers namin, kakain na kami. River, what's your message for the birthday boy? What one you wanna say to your brother? It's his birthday today.
Happy birthday.
Look here in the camera. You say here in the camera.
Happy birthday, birthday.
Oh, what else you wanna tell him?
I need to get actual.
What do you want to tell
No
him?
one.
I love you, Rain.
And also this one.
Oh, kain.
I love you, Rain.
What you wanna tell to your brother? Yun na yun. Happy birthday. Ayun. Okay, ako na lang. Hello! So, happy birthday, Rain Rain. Happy 4th birthday.
Don't eat pizza.
Okay, you eat pizza. You get. You get.
What's this?
With tissue. Hold it. Picture. Oh, there. Oh, anak ko. You eat, ha? Anak, thank you sa pa-birthday mo. Ayan. Rain Rain.
Come here, Rain.
Hindi pa natin nagawin sa ibang vlog, no? Message sa kanila. Hindi. Sorry. It can be a time capsule, Dada. Parang so, happy 4th birthday, anak. We love you so much. You're the joy of our life. Charot! Naiiyak. Ayun. Hindi ko kaya. Si Dada na muna. Mamaya na lang ako mag-emo.
Dad, there's doors. Go.
Come here. I see.
I want pizza.
We have a
Happy
message
birthday,
for
Rain.
Happy birthday,
to
Rain,
the coolest ninja. I love you forever.
Dad, I have two stores.
Kasi hindi kami nakapag-prepare. Busy kami kakabili ng pagkain. Mamaya na lang vlog, ha? Mamaya. Rain, Rain, what you wanna say? It's your birthday today. What's your message? Do you have a message?
I don't
Wanna have
have
more
any
toys?
messages.
Say, thank you for my cake.
Thank you for my cake.
And what else?
My cupcake.
Your cupcake! And
Thank you for my pizza.
your pizza?
Pizza.
Ayun, nakalimutan niya yung pizza niya. Naalala niya ulit.